In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up recurring payments on Zelle. So Zelle does not have a direct built-in recurring payment system itself. However, we are still able to schedule payments and create a recurring system with your bank app. So some banks have added the ability to schedule or automate recurring payments using Zelle inside of their own banking apps or online platforms. Now, one really great example is Citibank, which is what we're going to be using in this video. You guys could also use something like a Bank of America as well. So what you want to do from here is you want to go to the bottom menu and select on payments just like so, or just go to where Zelle normally is on your banking app. So here's Zelle right over here, so I'm just going to go ahead and select on Zelle. Now remember, it may be slightly different if you're using a different bank, but the general process is going to be the exact same thing. All right, once you're over here, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on send money just like so. Then what you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and select on a trusted contact that you want to send money to. Then make sure to go ahead and press on continue. All right, so here's my trusted contact, and what you need to do from here is you need to go ahead and select on send date, and then from here you guys are actually able to schedule payments on Zelle. So you can schedule out further in advance, and what's really great is that you can actually schedule multiple payments at a time, and you are effectively able to create recurring payments on Zelle. So you can really go ahead and customize it to your liking, and you can schedule reoccurring payments that way on Zelle. I know it's not the most intuitive option, but that is something that you could do in order to effectively get recurring payments on Zelle. So you would select your date, then you would go ahead and press on confirm, enter in the amount you would like to send, and you're good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.